You've probably heard that blockchain is just hype scams, crypto bros yelling to the moon. Cool myth. Let's replace it with clarity you can actually use in a boardroom. Welcome to Lesson 1 of Core Concepts for Business Leaders: The What and the Why. My goal is simple: demystify blockchain and give us a shared vocabulary for smart strategy. 1.1. The Blockchain Revolution. At its core, blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology, DLT. Imagine a shared spreadsheet that many parties can read and append to, but no one can secretly edit. 3 properties matter. Immutability. Once data is written, it's extremely hard to change. Think audit trail on steroids. Decentralization. No single gatekeeper. Multiple computers validate entries, reducing single-point failures and censorship risk. Transparency. Participants can verify the record. That builds trust in low-trust environments. Why should leaders care? Because when trust is expensive, DLT can make coordination cheaper. That's operational leverage. 1.2 Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto economics. Non-technical view: Bitcoin is a network that timestamps transactions into blocks and links them with cryptography. Miners compete to add blocks, and the longest valid chain wins. Incentives, block rewards, and fees keep the system honest. Blockchain 1.0 was digital money. Bitcoin as a store and transfer of value. Blockchain 2.0 adds logic. Ethereum introduced smart contracts programs that live on-chain and run exactly as coded. Now value can move with rules, not just signatures. That's the bridge from payments to programmable business processes. Crypto economics is simply using incentives to align behavior in these networks. Tokens aren't just assets, they're levers. 1.3 Public versus permission chains. Public chains like Ethereum are open. Anyone can read, anyone can write, anyone can build. Pros: resilience, global reach, developer energy. Cons: variable fees, open visibility, evolving governance. Permission chains. Think Hyperledger Fabric: limit who participates. Pros: privacy, predictable performance, clearer compliance, tailored governance. Cons: fewer network effects, more coordination overhead. Choosing the right model is about the job to be done. Need global settlement or composability with the public ecosystem? Public might win. Need strict data controls, known participants, and regulated workflows? Permissioned is your friend. 1.4 Smart contracts. Explained. A smart contract is self-executing code that enforces business rules. If X happens, release payment Y. No emails, no manual approvals, just logic. The code isn't the contract by default. You still align the human legal agreement with the on-chain logic. Many enterprises use Ricardian or hybrid approaches, plain English terms mirrored by code. Where's the upside? Automating multi-party workflows, supply chain milestones, insurance claims, royalty splits, trade finance, carbon credits, less reconciliation, fewer disputes, faster settlement. Let's land this. If you remember one thing, blockchain reduces the cost of trust between organizations.